name's Jaynie. I'm here at this beautiful Glow Yoga Studio, brand new in downtown Livermore by the outlets. Come take a class with us. I want to show you a quick tip for a pose that you probably do in every class is Warrior Two. So I'm going to step into it long on my mat. It's going to be different for everyone, but I'm thinking ankles right under wrist, so very wide stance. Always check my back foot, so my back hip is safe. Foot parallel to the mat or slightly forward, so whatever feels better for your own body and your hip. And then peek at your front knee. Look for your big toe so that you don't have this inward torque. It's not as safe for your joint as your joints stack right over your heel. Shoulders over hips, again stacking joints. Gaze over your front fingertips. You've got a strong, sturdy